Here it is, my new truck. Well, not new. New to me. Well, kinda. Yeah. And of course, like every other whatever, I love me some car audio. So, but I ain't got much money, if you can tell by the truck. So I'm gonna see what I got. Ain't got much. Hopefully I'm getting a new job. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys my cheap car audio. Well, yeah. Let me go over to the other side. First off, I got a Walmart amp that a Walmart amp that I think it's 600 watts. I don't know. I got it cheap. I think like 70 bucks or something. Now don't laugh, cause my sub box was given to me and it was cracked cause I dropped it a while ago. And then I tried to tape it back up with duct tape. But there's my sub. It's like the $40 Pioneer at Walmart. And there's my amp mounted to the back wall. xplode, Sony. And then my amp's running these Walmart speakers with the Walmart boxes. Oh yeah, loving me some cheap Walmart stuff right now. But I'll show you how it all runs in a second. Now my truck's a little ghetto, and if I start it up and run my stereo, it'll kill my battery pretty quick. So I don't actually start my truck up with a key. That doesn't do anything. To start my truck, I have to come under here in this little slider and push it over. It's a pain in the ass. There we go. Now here's one of the only things I didn't get from Walmart. I actually went to Best Buy and got me I guess, nice head unit. A Kenwood. What I really wanted was this jack, so I could hook up my iPod to it. That's all. So yeah, went to Best Buy, got me a alright head unit, and I ran my amp with the cutoff switch, so I can cut my amp off and just run my door speakers and not my sub and stuff. Now I got this song that somebody gave me. Fuck. I think I just blew my fuse because I'm running a really little cable. Ah, fuck. Fuck yeah, it is. She's blown. Yeah, I don't think that's good blowing those, but I got one more left. Now, is that because I'm running too small of a wire? Yeah, so that's my question out there to all you professional YouTube audio people. Why am I blowing fuses? I only got a 600 watt amp. I think it's like, is my power wire too small? Okay. Later. Okay, now that's my last fuse. Flip the amp on. Back to this little bass song. Hold on, wait, let me...